Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Rachel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're returning. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and whatnot. And today I have a 90-day update for you on a Goodwill blue box denim mystery box. So if you want to see how this box did for me, make sure you stick around. So I hadn't purchased one of these all year because the last one I bought back in 2021 was just awful. Total loss, but I finally got the guts to purchase another one after I had ordered that apparel box that was pretty good. So if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've been doing lots of unboxings along with 90-day updates on what actually sold and how much I made on each box. So this box was purchased in April of 2022, and everything that I listed has had the opportunity to be sold on my various platforms, and everything's been listed for 90 days. So this box originally cost me $33.30. I ended up listing 8 items out of this box, and this box is advertised as having 10 to 12 items. So I may have received more than 8 items, but for whatever reason, I just didn't end up listing a couple of them. It may have been size or style or just condition, whatever. So of the 8, my cost of goods ended up being about $3.70 per item. So what I'll do is take you through what sold, how much it sold for, what platform it sold on, and then ultimately at the end, I'll talk about, was this box worth the investment, and would I pick up another one based on the results of this one? So first and foremost, there's only one item that's not sold yet. I'll share that at the end. Everything else has been sold. First up were these Gloria Vanderbilt Amanda jeans, and I can't believe I'm saying that. And I'm trying to remember why I even listed those. And I think with this box, I really just wanted to list everything just to see if everything would sell. Unlike that ThredUp DIY denim box, which I can link the video up here if you want to see it. I just did a recent 90-day update on a ThredUp box where I listed everything, and it really, spoiler alert, it wasn't really worth my time. But I guess on this box, everything I listed except for one thing happened to sell. So that's pretty exciting. Anyway, I got $9 for the Gloria Vanderbilt jeans on Poshmark. They were listed about a month. Again, not a ton of money, but if I would have thrown them away or donated them, I would have made $0. So I'm kind of looking at it that way. I had these Old Navy chino khaki pants. These were men's. They sold for $10 on Poshmark. Again, not something I would normally list, but hey. I had these Wrangler jeans, and these were kind of like older. I don't even know if they were vintage. They were just a little bit dated, and they were a 36 by 29, which is kind of an odd size. And these sold, actually, I'm a little late on this video. So these sold just now in September for $11 on Poshmark. But hey, I'll take it. I hadn't made the video yet, so we'll put it in the countdown. Then I had these American Eagle high-rise black jeggings. These sold for $15 on Poshmark. I sent an offer, so I paid that discounted shipping. This denim trucker jacket, and this jacket drove me crazy because the brand was Only, and tried Google searching for something that is the brand Only. Like, I could not find anything on the brand. So I really had no idea, like no reference as to like whether it was a sought after brand, a high-end brand. But it ended up selling for $15 on Poshmark. It was only listed 4 days, which leads me to believe I definitely did not list it high enough. But it was a size 36 too, which didn't help. I didn't know if it was men's or women's or European or Australian or, I was just... That's why I listed it so low, because it was a big ball of mystery that I couldn't figure out. But it still sold, so whatever. Then I had this pair of Arizona jeans. They were definitely like a vintage style men's jeans, but they were white. And actually, these sold on eBay for $12. In hindsight, I maybe could have waited a little longer, held out, and got a little more for those, but it's okay. Again, I wasn't sure what I was really working with or if they had any value to begin with, so I'll take the 12 bucks on that one. And then the highest selling item from this box, which is not really anything to write home about, but I'm going to share with you anyway. These Wrangler size 36 by 29, there were actually 2 pair of these Wrangler jeans. These sold for $14.99 on eBay. So yeah, that's the sales. A little bit of here, a little bit of there, money, but it all adds up. There's only 1 pair of jeans that's left that is not sold. They are these Lee Relaxed Fit jeans. They're a size 10. I'm not really surprised these haven't sold. I mean, they're like really dated and not a great size. But either way, I paid for this box, not much, $33. And the profit on this box is actually $40.07. So if we're talking wanting to triple my money, no, I didn't triple my money, but I doubled my money. And it was a relatively, I mean, it was only 7 pieces. What did I say? 7 pieces? Yeah, 7 pieces. So it didn't really take me that much time to list it. Was it worth it? No, not really. A lot of this stuff sat for a while. Would I purchase another one of these based on the results of this one? No, because nothing about this was exciting, right? Like, if I wasn't motivated to actually like make my money back on this box, I probably wouldn't have listed very much of this at all. I'm very surprised that almost all of it sold, but it didn't sell very high. So if you factor in the cost of my time and storing this stuff, no, it wasn't worth it. But would I buy another one? Probably, because you know I love buying boxes that aren't profitable. Well, I mean, kind of. You guys tell me in the comments, like, why do you keep doing this to yourself? And it's still a learning opportunity. It's still fun. My other sources of sourcing denim have not been great at all. So it's slim picking these days. But it was a fun experiment. You know, it had been a while since I bought one. Let me know in the comments if you have ever bought one of these boxes. How were your results? Would you have listed this stuff if it came in your box? I can link the original video here if you want to take a look and watch my reaction as I unboxed this one the first time. Definitely let me know. Drop me a like if you're still here, if you found this helpful. And make sure you're subscribed. I've got some more 90-day updates coming down the pipeline. It is about to be Q4, so I'm stocking up for the holidays. I'll have lots of mystery boxes coming in. So make sure you're subscribed if you love reseller content. Otherwise, just a short and sweet little update for you guys today. So that's it for today. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.